Hey everyone, this is Byron from Vance Hines, and thanks for joining me on another Workshop Wednesday, where today we're going to start an all-new series for Workshop Wednesday called Make It Yours. Make it yours. Making it yours. What is Make It Yours? Make it yours. Now, as you can see, we're here at Vance Hines. We're actually outside the offices for the R&Ds and Engineering's testing department, and that's where we're going to do the lion's share of the work on this bike, as well as our all-new studio. So what are we going to do with this 2014 Limited? Well, this 2014 Limited has been sitting in the back shop for about a year and a half. So as you can see, it is super grody, completely covered in dust, grime. The oil is old and shot. The tires are past their expiration date, so this thing needs a lot of work to get it back on the road. But since we're just not gonna put it back on the road, we're gonna add some performance to it. So we're gonna do a whole slew of Vance Hines performance upgrade. We're gonna do a sound test. We're gonna go ahead and get a base run on the dyno to see how much this 103 high output twin cooled motor is putting out. And then we're gonna tear down the stock system in a later video. After that, we're gonna go ahead and install a VO2 air cleaner. We're gonna install a set of power duals, the all-new Torker 450 specifically for this twin cam. We're gonna install a set of 575 camshafts, our adjustable push rods, a Fuel Pack FP3, then we're gonna dyno tune all of that with a Fuel Pack Pro, and then when all said and done, we're gonna follow that up with audio test when everything's all finished, as well as another dyno run. And then we're gonna see how much performance we've gained on this full Stage 2 performance build with nothing but Vance Hines components.
Make it yours!
All right, so let's go ahead and take a listen to this thing. Kind of quiet, kind of anemic. Cool guys, so there we have it. About 75.5 horse and 94.25 foot-pounds of torque.